How to order a satellite imagery report. OnGeo Intelligence is a user-friendly service that lets you access up-to-date, high-resolution satellite imagery of any place in the world. It's ideal for property owners, farmers, investors, or anyone interested in tracking land changes. Ordering is quick and easy. Just follow these steps. Go to ongeointelligence.com and open the order form. Enter the report name and select a date range. You can analyze any period of up to 6 months, even from past years. Move to the map view. Find your area of interest using the search bar or by zooming in manually. Switch to satellite view if needed to better identify the terrain. Mark the area for analysis by clicking on the map. Double-click to finish and confirm the shape. Choose the image resolution. The lower the number, the more detailed the imagery. Click Search Images. Available satellite scenes will appear in seconds. Review the thumbnails for high-res images to ensure they're cloud-free. If any are cloudy, simply deselect them. Select the scenes to include. The price updates automatically based on your selection. Add to cart and complete your purchase. Shortly after payment, you'll receive a PDF report along with the original data via email.